I'm Flowanastasia.
And I'm Tyr Kohout.
And you're watching our masterclass for Soundteams.
Caught in the crosshairs, looking for a fight, you're pushing me to deep.
I'm a vocalist. Tyr is a producer and DJ. We've been making music since 2010 individually. Together, we've been working since 2017, so we do all of our live shows, and Tyr is the vocal engineer on all of my vocal projects. We've released music on labels like Shogun, Deviant Audio, Hospital, Anjuna Beats, Critical, Modus, Metalheads, Liquicity. We've played at Rampage, Liquicity Festival, Get in Step, and lots more.
Rap like you can stop me.
In this masterclass, our objective is to teach you the basics of vocal processing. So we're doing that in a number of different ways. One of the things we're doing is showing you how we record and process a song that we've been working on. So it's a song that Tyr has produced, I've written the vocal for. You'll see me recording the vocal, and then you'll also see Tyr recording a verse, so we can show you the differences between different kinds of recording and processing, and then also female and male voices. We also do a little segment where I give you some tips on collaborating with vocalists. Wanna collab, bro? We also do a section with vocal processing for another example of a tune that we just released on Shogun Audio. There was a fun story behind how that vocal came to be and what we had to do along the way to process the vocal. There's also some spoken rap in there, so we show you some of the differences between a vocal and spoken recording as well.